Now you can log into your MetaTrader 5 account. For this, you need to click on the MetaTrader app. Make sure that you have this app installed on your devices, and then you need to accept its terms and agreements. Basically, it's privacy policy, right? Now, in case if you want to open up a demo account, then the first thing you need to do is click on the button of open a demo account. But for instance, we'll be going through a bit different process. We'll click on the cross mark here, and then we'll go towards the codes, and then we can see this blank page over here. Go on the 3 dash lines which are on your top left corner, and over here we can see whether you want to log in to your existing account or whether you want to open up a demo account. Now let me click on get started. Now once I have this interface here, I'll be going to the second icon on the top right corner, which is a plus sign. Now over here you need to find your broker. You need to find your known brokers. Now if you do not know any kind of brokers, then you can click on MetaCodes Software Corporation. Over here you have two options: to open up a demo account or to log into an existing account. If you want to log into an existing account, which means that you previously have your account on MetaTrader 5, then you need to click on the option of log into an existing account. Or no, if you want to create a demo account, then you need to tap on the option of open a demo account. For now, let's create a demo account, or if you already have a demo account created, then you need to log in with your credentials here. Now, define the name. Okay, so now let me put the name, something like, let's say this, alright? First name will be this, last name will be this, phone number will be known to you. Now we need to click on register. Now after doing everything, your account will be successfully created. In order to know how has your account been created, you can see this small pop-up message on your screen with new account successfully created. In this way, you can log into MetaTrader's 5 account. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a good time doing it.